Hi, and welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. My name is Tom Fotios, and today we're standing in front of a fresh 1947 Chevy Fleetline. Awesome build. Come on up, let's take a look. This car has 5,300 miles on it since the restoration. The motor has 5,300 miles on it. It's a crate 350 motor. This is sporting power steering, power brakes, automatic, AC, heat. Unbelievable ride here, guys. It's like driving a new car with all the amenities. I'm going to drop the hood. We're going to take a look at the beautiful paint, stainless chrome, and take you for a ride. As you can see, it has beautiful bumpers. They're 49 Plymouth Bumpers. It has rally wheels, beautiful ghost flames in the paint. Hopefully you can see them. Electric door poppers. Unbelievable. Super clean, straight car. The Chevy wheels are brand new, as well as the tires. Don't forget, you can call Tom 7 days a week at 248-974-9513. Check out the beautiful detailed trunk, spare tire, rear mounted battery. Unbelievable build here, guys. It's got the front headlights, tail lights, shave hood and deck lid. Sweet ride. You can get on the freeway and drive this car 80 miles an hour with no problem. Looking down the side of the vehicle, it's absolutely beautiful, poker straight, beautiful paint, custom fuel filler, modified windshield. You could use this for a daily driver. You couldn't duplicate this car for 60 grand. Wait till you see the interior in here. Wonderful door poppers, beautiful custom interior, tilt wheel, full gauge package, seat belts for 4, AM, FM cassette, heat, air, all the amenities, guys, not missing a beat. Make your dream come true today with Vanguard Motor Sales, because we're dedicated to putting your dream in your driveway. Alright, Aubrey, let's go for a ride in this hot 47. What a fun car this is to drive. All the amenities, power steering, power brakes, AC, heat. I mean, this car is not missing a beat. It's absolutely beautiful. 5,400 miles on the build. Custom windshield. It is just unbelievable. The paint job on here is extremely nice. Call Tom today, 248-974-9513. I'm available 7 days a week to answer any questions about this beautiful car. I mean, this thing drives like a brand new car. It is a brand new car. Don't forget, go to Vanguard Motor Sales and become part of our social network at Facebook, YouTube, or Twitter, so you can see beautiful cars like this before they're offered to the public, because our inventory moves quick. And also, if you're planning on buying a classic car, go to ClassicCarBuyingSecrets.com and download the 7 Deadliest Mistakes to buying a classic car online. Thanks again for joining us today at Vanguard Motor Sales. We want to put your dream in your driveway, so call Tom today.